Hey kids, I hope all is well. It's Mr. Weber here, the flexing math teacher. Hope you're having a good Friday morning. I gave you some assignments in Shobi today, and for grade 8 math, I'm going to get you to do a test. Don't stress about it. It's like an open book test. You can take a few days to do it. But I wanted to give you some guidance on a couple of questions so you know what's expected. But make sure you're looking back at all the stuff we've done over the week and even before that, and use that. You're allowed to use that stuff, okay? Hopefully you're in a good workspace. I'm going to go to my workspace. My workspace is a little crowded. I've got Disney princess puzzles and a loom, but I'm going to focus in here on my whiteboard. There's one of the questions on your test, number 5 and number 6. You're given a table of values, and you're given the x values, and you're given a math equation y equals x plus 4. The way you get the y values is you take your x values, and you can do this with mental math if you want. You substitute in your x values, so the first x value is -2. You substitute that into the equation, so you'll put -2 into that equation, solve it, and figure out the value for y. I'm not going to do that for you right now. I'll let you do that. But that's what you do for those questions. And then what you do is that gets you your ordered pairs. And then you take your ordered pairs, and I give you a graph, but I don't give you the x and y axis, right? You get a square for your graph, but I don't give you the x and y axis. You have to put the x and y axis on there. And you don't have to put them in the exact spots I have them right there. Let's say you need a lot of positive values for your y values. You could draw your x axis down here, and that would give you a lot of space for positive y values. Or let's say you need more space for negative y values. Then you could put your y-axis up here, and that would give you a lot of space for negative y values. So you have to create that graph in number 5 and number 6. The last question I want to talk to you about is 7C. In 7C, you're asked to make a graph, but it only has the first quadrant on there. The reason I did that, so it only has this area of the graph, the reason I did that is for that question and for question 8, you don't need these areas of the graph. All you need are the positive values for x and the positive values for y. So I only put that part of the coordinate plane there for graph paper. So you don't need to draw a whole grid, you just need the first quadrant for your x and y values. Good luck with everything. Have a great week, and we will talk soon. Have a great spring break, kids. Talk to you later. One last flex before spring break. I'll see you later, kids.